Before beginning your dancer's makeup, you'll need to make sure you have the correct items on hand. You should have a Yofi makeup kit provided by TDX, which includes eye primer, either 2 or 3 shades of brown eyeshadow, sparklets, blush, and lipstick in the shade Fusion. If you are a returning company member, please make sure you have the correct shade of lipstick. If you do not, please contact us to make sure you receive the correct color. If your dancer is an Illuminate company or above, TDX will provide you with lashes. Ignite company dancers do not need lashes. All other makeup listed here, as well as makeup brushes and lash glue, are your responsibility to purchase and have on hand. First, coat the lids with eye primer, from lash to brow. This is the clear liquid in a tube provided for you. Let this dry completely before using the shadows. Eye primer works as glue for the eyeshadows and sparklets to stay on the lids during long days of competition. It does take some time to dry. Once you're able to touch your dancer's lids and not feel sticky, you're ready to move to the next step. Then start with the lightest shade in your Yofi kit. Coat the lid from lash to brow line. If you have 3 colors in your makeup kit, the middle color will come next, on just the lid. Lastly, the darkest shade in your kit should be put in the crease of your dancer's lid. As you can see, I'm using my makeup brush to blend that dark shade into the crease as much as possible to achieve the smoky eye look. Next up, sparklets. You do not need a ton of this on your brush, as a lot goes a long way. If you have a new container that hasn't been opened, my suggestion is to take a needle and poke the 3 holes on the plastic topper. It will save your makeup bag and your dancer's face from a glitter explosion. Use the sparklets to top the entire eyelid from lash to brow. Now get your blush brush and use the Yofi blush on your dancer's cheeks. I find the easiest way to do this is to have your dancer smile and use that as a guide. You want blush on the apple of their cheek, sweeping upward. Blush is an important step in our makeup because the bright stage lights can cause dancers to look washed out on stage. Take your black gel eyeliner to line the upper lid. I gently pull from the corner of the lid to eliminate the looseness of the lid so I can get a more precise line. Finish with a small wing. I find it easier to use crayon eyeliner in the waterline of the bottom lashes, but that is just a suggestion. You can use whatever liner works best for you on the bottom lid. Now it's time for lashes. If you are Ignite Company, you do not need lashes. Feel free to skip to this time code to watch the remainder of the tutorial. Take your lashes out of the box and find the side that has shorter lashes. The shorter lash side goes on the inside of the eye. The longer should go on the outside of the lid. Take a small amount of lash glue and paint it on the inside of the lashes. Let it dry for a couple seconds so it can get tacky, and place the lash just above the natural lash line. I've found the less you touch them once they've been placed, the better. Make sure they are as close to the natural lash line as possible, and all along the lash has been pressed down lightly. Repeat on the other side. Have your dancer keep their eyes closed for a bit after you've put the lashes on to allow them to dry. While you're waiting for the lashes to adhere, add your dancer's lipstick. Please make sure they have fusion colored lipstick. If you do not use the provided lipstick, your dancer will not look uniform with the rest of their team and it will be noticeable. This color is different from years past. If you do not have fusion, please talk to us and we will provide you with some. The last step is mascara. Take your black mascara and blend the natural lashes into the false ones. You want to put mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Though Ignite doesn't have false lashes, we do expect them to be wearing black mascara on top and bottom lashes like the rest of the teams. And there you have it. Your dancer is picture perfect and ready to rock the stage.